Calculus Examples The Quotient Rule. This is video 10. Example 1 uses the quotient rule in the form given in video 9a. See below. The following list of 5 short videos shows all videos, including this one, that involve the quotient rule to find the derivative of a function in an example or an application. To review the above videos, you should pause this video now. All videos have been written and produced by Michael J. Bankhead. An example using the quotient rule. Find the derivative of the function y equals 7x cubed divided by 4 plus e to the x. Solution. Finding the derivative. Method 1. A step-by-step method. Step 1. Identify f(x) and g(x) on the right-hand side of the function you want to differentiate. Comparing the right-hand side of the equation y equals 7x cubed divided by 4 plus e to the x. With the right-hand side of the equation y equals f(x) divided by g(x), giving f(x) equals 7x cubed and g(x) equals 4 plus e to the x. Step 2. Find f(x) from f(x) and g(x) from g(x). Using the power rule, f(x) equals the derivative of 7x cubed is 21x squared, and from a table of derivatives, g(x) equals the derivative of 4 is 0 plus the derivative of e to the x is e to the x equals e to the x. Note that the derivative of 4 is 0 because the derivative of any constant is 0. To review steps 1 and 2, you should pause this video now. Step 3. Substitute g(x), f(x), f(x), and g(x) into the right-hand side of the quotient rule to find y(x). From step 1, f(x) equals 7x cubed and g(x) equals 4 plus e to the x. From step 2, f(x) equals 21x squared and g(x) equals e to the x. From equation 3 in video 9, the quotient rule is. So for this example, y(x) equals gx, which is 4 plus e to the x, Do not forget the brackets. See Reminder 2. Times f-x, which is 21x squared, minus fx, which is 7x cubed, times g-x, which is e to the x, divided by gx, which is 4 plus e to the x, again, call this equation equation 1. To review step 3, you should pause this video now. Finding the derivative. Method 2. A direct method. Like method 1, method 2 finds the derivative of a function using the quotient rule. However, in method 2, the terms in the quotient rule formula are identified directly from the function in the question and then substituted directly into the quotient rule formula. The function in the question is y equals 7x cubed divided by 4 plus e to the x. From step 2, the quotient rule is. So for this example, y-x equals gx is 4 plus e to the x. Do not forget the brackets. See Reminder 2. Times f-x is the derivative of 7x cubed, which is 21x squared, minus fx is 7x cubed, times g-x is the derivative of 4 plus e to the x, which is e to the x, divided by gx, which is 4 plus e to the x again. Call this equation equation 2. After practicing for a short time, you will find that method 2 is much quicker than method 1, which is why you will probably prefer it. See Reminder 3. You should check that writing down equation 2 as the derivative without any working at all is acceptable to your instructor or lecturer. To review method 2 above, you should pause this video now. Simplifying the derivative. Step 4. If the derivative can be simplified, then it should be simplified. From equation 2 on the previous screen, the derivative is y-x equals. The objective is to simplify the numerator while leaving the denominator unchanged. Equals. Move 21x squared in front of 4 plus e to the x. 21x squared times 4 plus e to the x minus bring down 7x cubed e to the x divided by 4 plus e to the x all squared. Do not forget the denominator. Equals. Expand the bracket. 21x squared times 4 is 84x squared plus 21x squared times e to the x is 21x squared e to the x minus bring down 7x cubed e to the x divided by 4 plus e to the x all squared. Do not forget the denominator. Equals. Separate out 7x squared from each term. 84x squared becomes 7x squared times 12 plus 21x squared e to the x becomes 7x squared times 3 e to the x minus 7x cubed e to the x becomes 7x squared times x e to the x divided by 4 plus e to the x all squared. Do not forget the denominator. Equals. Factor out 7x squared from each term, giving 7x squared into bring down 12 plus bring 3e to the x down 3e to the x minus bring down x e to the x divided by 4 plus e to the x all squared. Do not forget the denominator. Final statement. The derivative of the function y equals 7x cubed divided by 4 plus e to the x is y dash x equals 7x squared into 12 plus 3 e to the x minus x e to the x divided by 4 plus e to the x all squared. Note that maths software will write the answer in the final statement in a slightly different form. See reminder 4. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. When solving questions from your textbook similar to the example in this video, 1. If you intend to use method 1 to find the derivative, you will find it helpful to display the Step 1 and Step 2 screen first, and then the Step 3 screen second, so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. Or 2. If you intend to use method 2 to find the derivative, you will find it helpful to display the method 2 screen, so you can use it as a template to find the derivative. See the note about Method 2 in Reminder 3. Most of my students were able to use Method 2 before I moved on to the next topic, and with practice, you can too. Once you have obtained the derivative using Method 1 or Method 2, then, if the derivative can be simplified, you must simplify it. In this video, Step 4 shows you how to simplify the derivative. So once you have found the derivative, you should have the Step 4 screen displayed, so you can use it as a template when simplifying a derivative. You should then find this topic simple and beautiful. Cheers! Do not forget to check your answers with the answers in the back of the textbook. Reminders, displayed as references without commentary. To review the above reminders, you should pause this video now. To review the above reminder, you should pause this video now.